Last episode, we filled the 11 blanks using train's median. Now we tidy the categories themselves. Because the data is hiding the same answer under 3 different names. First, duplicates. We ask, are any 2 rows identical? In Telco, the answer is 0 because every customer ID is unique. But we always run the check. A hidden duplicate double counts a customer and quietly biases everything. Now the real mess. 6 service columns use no internet service and 1 uses no phone service. Those aren't a third option, they literally mean no. The model sees 3 categories where there's really 2. We map both phrases down to plain no. Now online security is cleanly yes or no, and every no internet customer pools into one honest group. Last, white space and case. A stray trailing space or a stray capital turns yes into a second separate category. We strip and standardize so twins stop looking like strangers. Let's clean the text and apply the exact same rules to train and test. We split first, then check duplicates on train. Count comes back 0 as expected, but we logged it. We strip white space and tidy the object columns, so spacing and case can't fork a category. We replace no internet service and no phone service with no across the service columns. We show a value counts before and after for online security. 3 buckets collapse into 2. We apply the identical mapping to the test set, then print its value counts to confirm it matches. Categories are honest now. Next we go after the extreme numbers, the outliers in monthly charges, total charges and tenure. And we'll learn the caps from train. If this helped, like and subscribe for more.